Okay, so now we're down at the air handler. So when I say air handler, there are customers that have gas furnaces and they have heat pump systems. So with a heat pump system, this is what we call an air handler. So in this particular case, we have the air filtration directly underneath of the air handler. So again, we've turned the thermostat off at the thermostat, so there's no power feeding this right now. So we'll just pull the door off. So there's many different applications with this, but normally we see the filtration system directly underneath of the air handler. It could be a smaller door, a bigger door. In this particular installation, we have what they call a media air filter. So whether it's a 1-inch filter or a media air filter, just pull it out. In this particular case, this is what we call an accordion style media filter. This comes new in a box. With this one, you just open it up. There's tracking on each side of the cabinet where you'll put the tracking. Just line it up and you'll slide it on in. And you'll put the door back on. You'll now go to the thermostat and you will turn it to the on position. And just make sure with these medias that you replace them every 6 months. If it's a 1-inch filter that goes in here, replace it every 30 days. Thank you and have a happy day.